Imagine this. You only have $100. For many people, that's just a small amount, maybe a nice dinner or a night out with friends. But what if you invested it wisely? That $100 could double and even become the start of something much bigger. Today, I'll show you how you can invest just $100 and grow it step by step. Before anything else, ask yourself, do you want to waste this money quickly or use it as a foundation for your financial future? The secret isn't in the amount, it's in the mindset. Many millionaires today started with very small amounts. 1. Invest in yourself. The best investment is always in yourself. Buy a business book or an online course for $20, $30. The knowledge you gain could return 10x in the future. 2. Start a small online business. With just $100, you can start selling simple products online, like accessories or even digital products, ebooks, designs, templates. Use free platforms and social media to market them. 3. Stocks and index funds. Even with a small amount, you can open an investment account and buy fractional shares. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to learn how the market works and let your money grow over time. 4. Service-based projects. Invest in simple tools, maybe a small microphone to start a YouTube channel or podcast. That $100 becomes the seed of a long-term income stream. The key is, reinvest your profits. If you earn $20 from your project, don't spend it. Put it back into the business. Step by step, your $100 can become $200, then $500. And in a year, you might have built a strong financial foundation. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start in order to become rich. That $100 can either be just another expense, or it can change your life. The choice is yours.